Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on MailerLite versus Mailchimp for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. MailerLite and Mailchimp are both popular email marketing platforms, but for beginners, they offer different experiences. MailerLite is known for its simplicity. Its clean, intuitive interface makes it easy for newcomers to create campaigns using drag-and-drop tools. The free plan allows sending up to 12,000 emails per month to 1,000 subscribers, making it affordable. Mailchimp, while also user-friendly, offers more features that may feel complex for first-timers. Its free plan allows up to 500 emails to 500 subscribers, but advanced tools and higher email limits quickly push users to paid tiers. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.